Hi everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, simply playing actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko na the reaction video ang Will Bea compilation. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Wait lang, may ina-adjust lang ako. So agad-agad gawa na the reaction video to. Ano to? Happy Valentine's everyone! Ay! May I love you sila? The I love yous? Wait, can someone enlighten me? May nag-I love you ba? Hindi ko marinig. Okay. Ay, I love you. But, okay. Part ng kanilang, yung GSOT ba yun? GSOT? Tama ba yun? Ganda ni Bea? Ganda ni Bea, no? Loki. Oh my God, mami. May ano na to, may special something na to. Ay, it's always the pinch talaga sa tenga, no? Kala mo naman talaga. Ay, putang ina. Charis, ano yung practice lang? Charis. Ay, loko.
Ay, parang girlfriend material.
Ay, girlfriend material naman pala. Girlfriend material naman pa. Wala na fall na to. Single, no? Wala na. Charis. E di sila na. Charis. Sana all sinusubuan din ako ng sausage. Charis. Diyos ko, nakasando na naman si Wilbert. Si Wilbert talaga, parang baby kasi siya na parang di ko alam. Ay, ano to? Bakit nagpatato? Sino nagpatato? Ayan ha. Ay, low-key malala. Low-key literal. Ano yung music video na sinabi ninyo na gawa ko ng reaction video? Wala na. Tapos na to, ma'am. Chares! Tapos na to, ma'am.
You ever just look at someone and say, so this is what love looks like? I wasn't looking for anything at all when I met you. Actually, I wasn't planning on falling.
Ang galing niyo mag-edit, ha? Dear, pag pinagugupitan ka na ng...
Then you came into my life.
Uy, ang lala nito. Charis! Ang lala nila, no?
I guess things just
Totoo
happened.
ba?
I found you and
Alam Alam mo bakit hindi ako masyado nahuhook? Hindi naman sininaw ko, hindi ko siya inaraw-araw gumawa ng Will Bea. Pinapatagal ko kasi ayoko baka kasi ma-hurt na naman ako. Charas. Yung ash dress kasi na-hurt ako sa ash dress eh. Kaya boom, biglang tinigil ko yung ash dress. Kasi humopya ang lola mo, hindi nag-ship responsibly. Charas. Pero ngayon, go.
Wanted
Take
to
tayo ng
spend more
risk.
time with you.
Take tayo ng risk for today's
I was
video.
single. And it was so easy.
Take tayo ng risk.
That's how the best relationships start. You're not
Alam, ang
looking
gwapo
for
ni
anything.
Wilbert. Baby boy
And then
talaga si
suddenly you
Wilbert, no?
realize You have something. Something worth keeping.
Ay. Baby boy talaga si Wilbert pa. Ay! Diyos! Ano to? Charis! Ay, behind the scene! Behind the scene? Putang ina! Nakakarami ka na. Sana all nakakarami. Tapos nakasando pa siya. Aray ko! Aray mo! Charis! Hala, aray talaga yan kay David, kay ano. Aray talaga yan. Charis!
Mali sa right, mali
Bakit?
meron kang confusion tapos
Hindi ganun. Aray talaga yan for today's video. Anyways, ay! Happy Valentine's Day. Go.
What's that?
Parang Cheetos.
Okay. Ay, ano to? Ah, nag-shoot pala talaga sa... Ay, ito music video. Ganda ni Bea. Gwapo naman ni Wilbert. Ay, ito. Walang music background. Gusto ko to. Charis! Gusto ko to. Walang music background. Para tuloy-tuloy. Ay, nakasando siya.
Nakakarami ka na,
Pero, aray mo talaga yan. Aray mo. In fairness. Ay! Ay! Bakit ganun? Tsura ni Wilbert. Tsura ni Wilbert. Nanggigil. Bakit nanggigil? Anyways, that's all for today's video from Will Bea. This is Kinky Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!